Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to clear activity history on Windows 11. So here just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings, and at the left hand side you will find privacy and security, and then we will click on under Windows permissions. We have this activity history options for getting more from your activity history. So I'll just click on that, and here it says store my activity history on this device. If you can turn it on, or if you just want to clear the history, and history includes the website you browse and how you use apps and services. So I'll just click on clear history, and this will be cleared from that particular account which I have logged in. So I'll click on clear history and I'll click on clear, and I have successfully cleared the activity history. Whatever I was doing in my computer, those activity history has been cleared, and this is how you can do that. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.